Fundamentals of Timber Construction, Materials, Techniques, and Sustainability. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Fundamentals of Timber Construction, Materials, Techniques, and Sustainability is an essential guide that explores the core principles of timber construction, offering an in-depth examination of the material's properties, design fundamentals, and advanced construction techniques. This book is geared towards students, professionals, and anyone interested in understanding the versatility of timber as a sustainable building material in modern construction. In the context of an increasingly environmentally conscious world, timber is being rediscovered for its numerous advantages, including its renewability, natural beauty, and carbon-sequestering qualities. The book not only introduces the historical significance of timber in construction but also provides a detailed understanding of its modern applications and innovative uses. The introduction sets the stage by outlining the essential role timber plays in contemporary architecture. As the construction industry faces the challenges of reducing its carbon footprint, timber stands out as an ideal material due to its sustainability. The introduction discusses the growing importance of timber as a renewable resource and its advantages over more conventional building materials, such as steel and concrete, especially in the context of reducing environmental impacts. Timber's natural ability to sequester carbon and its renewable nature make it a central element in sustainable building practices. This introductory chapter lays the groundwork for understanding how timber, when utilized thoughtfully, can contribute to sustainable design solutions and help mitigate climate change. Following the introduction, the book delves into the fundamentals of timber design. This chapter provides a solid foundation in the essential principles that guide the use of timber in construction. It discusses the basic engineering concepts of timber structures, such as structural behavior and the material's performance under different conditions. Understanding how timber responds to stress, environmental factors, and time is key to optimizing its use in construction. The chapter emphasizes the importance of selecting appropriate timber species based on their properties, ensuring the material's performance aligns with specific project requirements. It also explores the challenges associated with working with a natural material, highlighting issues such as moisture content, shrinkage, and the material's susceptibility to rot and pests. Furthermore, this chapter emphasizes the importance of designing for longevity and durability, ensuring that timber structures can withstand the test of time while minimizing maintenance needs. The properties of timber are critical in determining its suitability for various construction applications. The book dedicates an entire chapter to examining these properties in detail, from the basic physical characteristics such as density, grain structure, and moisture content, to its mechanical properties, including tensile strength, shear resistance, and compressive strength. Timber's performance varies depending on species, grain patterns, and moisture content, which all influence its structural capabilities. The chapter provides insights into how these factors can affect design decisions and the long-term performance of timber structures. A deep understanding of these properties is necessary for selecting the right type of timber for specific building elements, whether it be for structural beams, cladding, or flooring. Additionally, the chapter explores the sustainability advantages of timber, such as its role in carbon sequestration, the fact that it is a biodegradable material, and its lower environmental impact compared to other construction materials. Timber's ability to store carbon during its growth cycle is a unique and valuable characteristic that supports the growing demand for environmentally friendly construction practices. One of the defining features of timber construction is the wide variety of joints and connections used to assemble timber structures. The book's chapter on special joint constructions introduces readers to both traditional and modern techniques for connecting timber elements. It covers the various types of joints, ranging from traditional methods such as mortise and tenon, dovetail, and scarf joints to modern innovations like laminated timber joints and the use of metal connectors or adhesives. The chapter explains the principles behind these jointing methods, focusing on their strength, durability, and suitability for different applications. It also explores the advances in joinery techniques that allow for greater precision and efficiency in timber construction, including prefabrication and the use of advanced materials like engineered wood products. The importance of selecting the right joint type for specific project requirements is stressed, as the joint can significantly impact the load-bearing capacity and the overall stability of the structure. Furthermore, the chapter addresses the challenges that come with working with timber joints, including the need to account for expansion and contraction due to moisture changes, as well as ensuring that joints remain strong over time. In conclusion, Fundamentals of Timber Construction provides a thorough and accessible guide to understanding the use of timber in construction, from its properties and design fundamentals to advanced joinery techniques. It highlights timber's significant role in sustainable construction practices, offering readers a deeper appreciation of this versatile material. Through a combination of theoretical insights and practical advice, this book equips those in the field with the knowledge necessary to make informed decisions about using timber in building design and construction. As the demand for sustainable building solutions continues to grow, timber is poised to play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of the built environment. This book serves as an invaluable resource for anyone looking to explore the potential of timber construction in creating durable, environmentally responsible buildings. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.